A child by the name of Kevin Kwazik died from E. coli at the age of 2.5 years old from eating contaminated meat. In the community of Spokane, Washington, they have been notified that their drinking water isn't safe to drink from fertilizer pollution. We may not know Kevin or live in a place that we cannot drink the water, but do we want to risk the chance of that happening to us, our loved ones, or our community? I believe eating organically improves our overall health individually as well as the environment. Today I will begin by telling you about a number of the benefits to eating organically. Secondly, what procedures go into organic farming that are beneficial to the environment. Thirdly, I'd like to inform you about the many places where you can go and buy organic foods and give you a few tips. Let's start first by looking at the benefits. There are many benefits to eating organically that I have found to be of importance. According to the website, thefutureisorganic.net, when you start eating organically, you stop eating chemicals. Eating organically helps maintain water and air quality for future generations. Another benefit is when eating organic, it's preventing soil erosion and improving soil quality. Currently, soil erodes at a rate of 7 times faster than it can be replaced, according to thefutureisorganic.net. Lastly, you're providing thousands of farm workers with better health with the avoidance of chemicals in their system. Wake Forest University Baptist Medical Center gathered data that showed in South Carolina alone there are some 21,000 migrant and seasonal farm workers. Now let's take a look at the way these items are grown. Specifically, having rules on how to make, grow, or manufacture organic foods gives us the solution. According to the Organic Foods Production Act of 1999, organic farmers have explicit guidelines on what substances are allowed and prohibited in organic production. Another regulation that has been set in place for water and air quality is if the farmers consist of livestock, they cannot be a source of nitrate. They may not use sewage sludge-based fertilizers as stated in the Organic Foods Production Act. Every organic farmer must have a soil building program put in place for maintaining and improving of the soil as stated by the government. Since organic farming contains no chemicals or pesticides, it greatly improves the overall health of the farm workers and their family. Livestock workers also have less of a chance to developing allergic reactions to antibiotics since it's prohibited to give animals antibiotics. Now let's move our attention on to my last idea. There are significant advantages to eating organically. Not having to worry about if our way of producing food is going to hurt us. Not having to worry that the environment is being harmed. Not having to worry that our children in the future will be harmed or bothered by the way that we live today. I hope my speech today has made you more conscious about why eating organically is important and how you can achieve this idea. To add it all up, there are many benefits to eating organically. Secondly, there are many policies that make organic farming healthier to you and the environment. And finally, there are many ways to buy and eat organically. If you want to become an organic eater, here are a few helpful steps. Find in your area if you have a co-op, which is a grocery store that specializes in buying organic foods. Next, you should see if and when there is a farmer's market where you live, because you'll find local organic farmers selling their products. Don't feel that if you start eating organically, you can never go out to dinner, because many restaurants are serving up local organic foods in many cities. One more helpful step to eating organically is looking for the seal on the package of the item that you're going to buy that states it's organic. Thank you for taking the time to listen, and I urge you to make a difference by starting to eat organically.